How much is your time worth? Are you spending it daily on manual planning, searching for mistakes, or tracking task completion? We'll tell you about software that will change everything: process automation, resource optimization, and real-time analytics. This system will help you save not only hours, but also thousands of dollars every month. Ready to find out how it works? Stay with us. It's going to be interesting.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with HeyGen. Simply type your script to get started. But it doesn't stop there. SAP SuccessFactors takes workforce management to the next level with embedded analytics, mobile capabilities, and an intuitive interface that ensures ease of use for all users. Whether you are a startup looking to build your first HR department or a global enterprise managing thousands of employees, SAP SuccessFactors has the flexibility and scalability to meet your unique business needs. SAP SuccessFactors is not just another HR tool. It's a complete ecosystem designed to handle all aspects of human resources. Here are some of the standout features that make it the go-to choice for businesses around the world. Managing the workforce efficiently starts with robust core HR functionality. SAP SuccessFactors provides a solid foundation for workforce administration and payroll processes. Its core HR module allows businesses to manage employee data, handle benefits administration, and ensure compliance with labor laws and regulations. Attracting and retaining top talent is critical for business success. SAP SuccessFactors helps companies streamline their recruitment processes by providing end-to-end recruiting solutions. From job posting and candidate sourcing to interview management and hiring decisions, SuccessFactors Recruiting covers it all. But the process doesn't end with hiring. The onboarding module ensures a smooth transition for new hires, helping them acclimate to the company culture, complete necessary paperwork, and access training materials all from one platform. This leads to a more engaged and productive workforce from day one. One of the biggest challenges for any business is aligning individual goals with organizational objectives. SuccessFactors makes this task easier with its powerful performance and goal management tools. Managers can set clear, measurable goals for employees and track progress in real time. Continuous learning and development are key to retaining talent and fostering innovation. SAP SuccessFactors provides a comprehensive learning management system (LMS) that allows companies to offer training and development opportunities to their employees. The LMS is fully integrated with other HR processes, ensuring that learning and development are aligned with employee goals and company objectives. Whether you're offering compliance training or leadership development programs, SuccessFactors Learning Module can handle it all. Compensation plays a critical role in motivating and retaining top talent. SAP SuccessFactors makes it easy for companies to manage compensation packages with its integrated compensation management module. Managers can link compensation to performance, set merit increases, and handle bonuses, all while ensuring fairness and compliance. Planning for the future is crucial for any business, and SAP SuccessFactors provides the tools to identify and develop future leaders within your organization. The Succession and Development module helps managers create development plans for high-potential employees, ensuring that they are ready to step into leadership roles when the time comes. This proactive approach to talent management ensures that your business always has a pipeline of qualified leaders, reducing the risk of talent gaps and ensuring long-term success. So, what makes SAP SuccessFactors the best choice for businesses looking to improve their HR processes? Here are some of the reasons why it's the preferred HCM solution for companies across industries. SAP SuccessFactors is a cloud-based platform, meaning it's accessible from anywhere, at any time. This flexibility is especially important in today's increasingly remote and mobile workforce. Employees and managers can access the system on the go, making it easier to manage HR processes, even across multiple locations and time zones. Whether you're a small business or a global enterprise, SAP SuccessFactors is designed to scale with your business. As your company grows, SuccessFactors can adapt to meet your changing needs, providing a consistent and reliable HR solution. One of the major advantages of SAP SuccessFactors is its seamless integration with other SAP products, such as SAP ERP and SAP S/4HANA. This integration allows businesses to manage all their enterprise processes from finance and supply chain management to HR within one unified platform. Data-driven decision-making is at the heart of SAP SuccessFactors. The platform provides embedded analytics that give businesses real-time insights into their workforce. Managers can track key HR metrics, analyze trends, and make informed decisions to improve employee engagement and productivity. Countless businesses have already experienced the transformative power of SAP SuccessFactors. Here are just a few examples. A fast-growing tech startup that implemented SuccessFactors to improve employee engagement and performance, resulting in a 20% increase in productivity. A retail chain that utilized SuccessFactors to manage its payroll and compliance across multiple countries, ensuring timely payments and regulatory compliance in each market. As technology continues to evolve, so too does SAP SuccessFactors. The platform is constantly being updated with new features and enhancements to ensure that businesses have the tools they need to stay competitive in a rapidly changing world. From AI-powered recruitment tools to enhanced employee engagement features, SAP SuccessFactors is at the forefront of HCM innovation. Whether you're looking to simplify your recruitment processes, improve employee engagement, or ensure compliance with labor laws, SAP SuccessFactors offers a comprehensive solution that can meet your needs. With its cloud-based platform, scalability, and powerful features, it's no wonder that businesses across the globe are turning to SAP SuccessFactors to transform their HR processes. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your workforce management and take your business to the next level. Subscribe to our YouTube channel today for more in-depth guides, expert tips, and all the latest updates on SAP SuccessFactors and other game-changing business technologies.